Why does your scanner show the P0472 engine code? What does it mean? P0472 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure sensor, A, circuit low. This engine code indicates that the ECM or PCM is detecting a voltage reading from the exhaust pressure sensor that is lower than expected. This can be due to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or a problem with the power supply to the sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Exhaust pressure sensor problems, wiring issues, PCM issues, other factors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes Sprinter, Ford F-150, and Ram trucks. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.